Hello guys, welcome to my channel Cook It Up with Pragya, and unlike the usual cooking videos, today I am going to review this Auric protein powder which I recently ordered and I am simply in love with it because first of all it is totally a natural protein extract and the flavors are amazing and I am loving the taste. There are three flavors: dark chocolate, badam, kesar and vanilla coffee, in which this protein powder is available. And it is the tastiest natural protein with just 5 ingredients: plant protein, desi khand and flavor. There are no chemicals, no preservatives, no emulsifiers, no stabilizers and nothing of bad stuff. So you can say this is pure natural nutrition. It is a very good source for weight management, and the Auric protein powder can serve three different purposes: a healthy lifestyle, weight loss and weight gain. But one thing to remember is that if you are looking for any of these, the method of taking the protein powder is different in each method. If you are going for the healthy lifestyle, it is recommended that you simply drink 1 sachet of the Auric protein shake daily. Whereas if you are looking for weight loss, we suggest that you simply skip 2 meals and replace the meals with 1 sachet each of the Auric protein powder in each meal. However, if you want to gain weight, what we recommend is that you drink 3 sachets, 1 sachet each, with milk or water with each home cooked meal, that is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Another good point of this Auric protein powder is that it mixes well with both milk and water and is easily digestible. So all you need to do is just take a glass of water or milk, cut 1 sachet of the Auric protein powder and mix it with milk or water as per your preference. Now coming to the packaging, I really feel the packaging is awesome because unlike the other protein powders which come in different and big boxes, the Auric protein shake is available in small and portable pouch and is very easy to carry anywhere. Each sachet of the protein powder has 21 grams of protein and 6 grams of BCAA, and the protein is totally vegan and plant-based and extracted from pea and wheat. It gives you all the essential amino acids and is very helpful for muscles and bone growth. The flavors are very awesome. Since my favorite flavor is chocolate, so I have ordered the dark chocolate, and mind it, I am using it past 3 days and I am just loving the flavor. Another good point is that the Auric protein powder is very easy on pocket and is not as expensive as other brands, so you can easily make it a part of your daily life. If you want to purchase the Auric protein powder, you can easily navigate to their official site, which has been provided in the description box also, and the protein powder from Auric is also available on Amazon, so you can also order from Amazon. So guys, if you're looking forward towards a healthy lifestyle, just don't wait. Navigate to the official website on Amazon and buy your Auric protein shake today. If you like the video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.